Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Today we're working on these two doors. These are closet doors and they don't meet up just right. And I put a picture of this up in the corner, but there's a lot of gap here. There's not much here. The doors bump each other right here. And as you can see, the tops of them are not level. And what we think is causing that is the screws that mount this hinge, they've gotten stripped out in the wood. And they're little short screws, about 1 inch long. But we bought these, and I'll put a picture of these up in the corner as well. These are number 10 Phillips head screws that are 3 inches long, solid brass. And we're going to replace the screws that mount the hinge into the wall with these. And we're hoping the longer screws will pull the hinges up tighter and straighten the door up some. So that's what we're working on today, is straightening up this closet door. Now this is the hinge that we're talking about, and I'm going to go ahead and take the screws out one at a time. I got my three inch long screws, and so we're going to take the old ones out one at a time, put the long ones back in. There we go. Okay, we were somewhat successful here. We didn't pull our door up exactly even with the other door, but the other door is a little bit high. We may try to adjust that a little bit later with a different technique. But putting the longer screws in the hinges over here did pull this door over, which reduced the gap here, which is fairly even now. It's still a little bit wider here, but it's closer to even than it was. And the gap between our doors up here, they're not touching each other anymore. We probably got at least 1/8, maybe 3/16 of an inch of gap between the two doors, where before they were touching each other and rubbing a little bit. So I feel like this was a successful fix. Just replacing those screws in the hinge into the wall with longer screws so they could pull up tight was all that it took to fix this little bit of a drag on our doors. And so that's it for fixing this door that's sagging a little bit on a closet. If you find this video helpful, please click like and share it with your friends. And we'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow and it helps you to find our videos in the future, or get back to this one if you need to. So anyway, we'd just like to say thank you for visiting. Do It Yourself with Wayne, and we hope you have a great day.